The music teacher, Mr. Joe Spencer, is trying to convince her to take up a new job and to chill herself. What's a new job he found for herself? The job of a music teacher or piano tutor in her institution. Piano tutor means a person who gives the tuitions in piano playing. So he needs a young and enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means having or showing great excitement or interest, or very active, very interesting person in music. So he wanted to offer a job of a piano tutor in his institution. Sounds like something perfect for you to do while still healing. So this job is very easy for you. Even now, your wounds are getting healed. You are recovering slowly. Even it's okay. With your one hand only, you can play the piano over here and you can teach the small children. I'll hand the advertisement to your mother if you like. So the advertisement had been already given in newspapers. For if you like to join, I can give that job to you, or I can hand over that advertisement to your mother so you can go through it and you can apply for the job. Valerie said that it was a good idea, but rather half-heartedly. Now Valerie said, "Okay, it's a good idea. I can instead of sitting at home, I can join that institution. I can give the tuitions, piano tuitions." But not so happy she is. Half-heartedly she is means not fully she is willing to join a tuition center or a piano tuition center. She wanted to join a university where she could learn more music, but here, because of her accident, it did not happen. Now, at least one opportunity is given to her, but not completely willing, half heartedly, half willing she is, but still she had decided to join the tuition center. She thanked her music teacher and fell asleep. So at last she got a job and she is trying to overcome her problem in that way. So she thanked her music teacher and fell asleep. She started feeling again. Now continue with the next paragraph. When Valerie woke up, she found the paper clipping on the beside table. She quickly read through it and called her friend Jane, who said that she would meet her that evening. So now Valerie waking up, and as soon as she woke up, she found the paper clipping on the beside table. What was the paper clipping? The paper clipping was the advertisement which was told by her tuition teacher, her music teacher, Mr. Joe Spencer. So the paper clipping was there on the table. She quickly read through it. So now she's reading through it, and as soon as she finished it, she called her friend Jane. Jane, in the morning itself, she promised her that she would meet her in the evening. So now she called Jane. Next paragraph. When Jane came over to Valerie's house that evening, she saw the advertisement. You should really grab this opportunity, Val. It would be a step forward to realizing your dream. Now, Valerie's house. Jane is sitting and she is speaking to Valerie. She saw the advertisement given by Mr. Joe Spencer and she is telling something to the Valerie. What she is telling? You should really grab this opportunity. So there's an opportunity given to you to give the music tuition to the children. So you should not give up. You should join. You should grab this opportunity. Val. Val means Valerie. In short, we call her Val. It would be a step forward to realizing your dream. If you join the music tuitions, if you give the music tuitions to other children, it will be a step forward to realize your dream. You had a dream of achieving more in music. So if you join these music tuitions, if you try to give these tuitions to children, obviously one more step you will be moving at the time of achieving your dreams. But Valerie is not so much hopeful. She is telling something. What? I can't even move my fingers, said Valerie. But Celery is not very confident about her job. She tells, see, you are thinking of playing the piano, but even I can't even move my fingers. with the hand where it is wounded. My hand is completely wounded. I cannot play any music with this, said Valerie. How will I train the little children when I don't have the strength in my finger to move them? How can I play the music and how can I train the small children? But her friend is not disappointed. She is not so hopeless. She still has a hope. What's she telling? Oh, well, it is not impossible, and you know that. Your right hand is in perfect shape, and you have your sweet voice. Make the most of what you have. Don't cry over what you don't have. Even the Valerie is trying to convince her. What is she trying to convince? In what way? She is telling something. Oh, well, it is not impossible. Don't feel that you don't have one more hand properly. You know that your right hand is in perfect shape. Maybe your left hand is crushed and wounded, but your right hand is perfectly right. It's functioning properly, and you have your sweet voice also. And also, you have a good voice. Make the most of what you have done. So, you have a right hand, and you have a sweet voice. So, make use of both, and you win. Don't cry over what you don't have. So please don't be sad on what you don't have. Be happy with whatever you have. I still don't know how I will manage this, said Valerie. Valerie said, yes, you are trying to help me, you are trying to convince me, you are trying to fill the hope in me, but really I don't have that confidence. I don't know how I am going to manage this. Well, I do. I'll help you, don't worry. Call your music teacher and tell him that you are interested. At least give it a try. Don't worry, Valerie, I am with you. Just what you should do now is you should call your music teacher and tell him that you are interested in that job. At least give it a try. Try to do something. After Jane left, Valerie thought about the offer. It was a make or break situation for her. She knew that both her music teacher and Jane were right. It would be good for her to put her talent to use. It might also be fun teaching the little children. Yes, Jane was right. She should make the most of the situation. So, let's learn the meaning of the poem, the paragraph. After Jane left, Valerie thought about the offer. So, Jane convinced her a lot and left. Now, Valerie is sitting and thinking about the words of Jane. It was a make or break situation for her, like do or die situation. Either she had to join the course or to remain at home. So, either to make her life or to break her life situation. She knew that both her music teacher and Jane were right. Also, she knew that whatever Jane said, it was right, even whatever her music teacher, Mr. Joe Spencer, said, even it was right. It would be good for her to put her talent to use. So, till now, whatever talent she had, it is the time to make use of that, and even she felt that it is better. So, it might also be fun teaching the little children. It's a new job, teaching the small children. Maybe even it will be very fun. Yes, Jane was right. She should make the most of the situation. Yes, she Valerie felt that what Jane said it was correct. She should make the most of the situation. She got an opportunity to prove herself now. She should make use of that. She should try to prove herself. A week later, Valerie started training the children at Joe's music school. She enjoyed every bit of the time she spent there. Jane also visited her once a week. She was proud that Valerie had not given up on her dream. Now, after a week later, Valerie joined the music tuitions. Valerie started training the children at Joe's music school. What she has done over there, she had trained the children. She gave training in music for the small children. Where? It was at her music teacher's school. She enjoyed every bit of the time she spent there. Really, for her, it was very, very precious and fun time because small children and really she was enjoying their company. Jane also visited her once a week. Even her best friend Jane used to come once in a week and meet her. She was proud that Valerie had not given up on her dream. When Jane is so happy to see Valerie for not stopping herself somewhere. She had not given up her dreams. So she's so happy. Valerie could not play the piano with both her hands, but she could easily demonstrate the chords with her right hand. She made learning to play the piano easy and inspiring. But what about Valerie's condition in the music school? Whether she was really able to play the piano with both the hands? No, she could not play the piano with both the hands because her left hand was wounded. But she was able to demonstrate the chords with her right hand. But she had a perfect right hand. With that only, she tried to demonstrate. She tried to teach the children. Chords means a combination of three or more notes that blend harmoniously when sounded together. The keys of piano and playing them together. Many keys together playing, it's called as chords. But it was done very perfectly with her only right hand. And she made learning to play the piano easy and inspiring. So now she taught the children very well and they were so happy. Let's look at the last paragraph now. As far her own career was concerned, she knew that she would make it to the Music Academy in London in 2 years' time, as a stronger and more inspired learner with a bigger dream to realize. So now even she's think about her dream. What was her dream? Joining the Music Academy at London. Now even she knew that she would make it to the Music Academy in London in 2 years' time. So even now she understood that after her hand gets recovered, she would be joining the Music Academy in London, which was her dream from a long time. And she, as a stronger and more inspired learner with a bigger dream to realize. Now she is not losing her hope to join the Music Academy at London. Still, she has a hope and she is more confident than before. So, this is the lesson. What did you learn from this lesson, children? What's the message conveyed? The message is conveyed through the lesson that at any situation, at any cost, we should not give up our dreams. Somehow we should try, either the one way or the other another way. We should keep on trying. When we keep on trying, even God helps us. There are many ways to achieve one dream. So we should keep on trying. We should not lose hope. We should not give up our efforts. We should keep on trying. That's for the day. Thank you very much.